front of me is HUAWEI Mate Xs tool, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to locate and open Gallery app. Then select Photos or Albums at the bottom left corner. And to delete all of your pictures, hold one of them. Now click on this icon at the top right corner to select multiple right away, and to keep some, tap on the chosen ones. To get rid of the rest, use the delete button at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!